In this problem, hexagonal lamina of 25 mm side rests on its side on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP and side on which it rests makes 30 degree to VP. First, draw the XY line by using thin line. Then name those XY capital letter and VPHP first quadrant because of first quadrant. And to construct hexagon, it's edge case, edge case. Okay, use compass, that is compass radius of the 25 mm side means the diameter is 50. Draw one thin circle, diameter of 50, radius is 25. Then it is edge case. Simply draw perpendicular silhouette, one vertical line. Okay, one vertical line. Then next, using compass, 25 mm radius, 25 mm radius on this corner, 25, cut it, this circle, this side also 25, you cut it, and next from this corner 25 mm, cut it, and last this side also 25 mm, you make it, and join those all six corners with thick line, thick line. It's construction of hexagon here from this point to second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth. Close it. You will get edge case. Show the one side dimension. Okay, write it dimension, one edge. All the six edges, any one edge, you show the dimension of 25. Now name those points, all six points A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, start with A, B, C, D, E, F, and project for front view, project for front view, project for front view, front view, project A and E are same line, the B and E are same line, C and D are same line, projection lines are thin here, A and F up to XY line, then B and E up to XY line, then C and D up to XY line. Front view will be straight line, two lines are visible, and name those points front view. A dash, B dash, C dash visible, D dash, E dash, F dash invisible. Those three are within bracket. See, show it. A dash visible within bracket, F dash. And here B dash visible within bracket, E dash. Here C dash visible within bracket, D dash. And this front view is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Okay, now using scale, measure from A dash to C dash distance, here to here. The distance is, you're getting the 48 mm, 48 mm, 48 mm. Okay, 4.8 centimeter using scale. Okay, 48 mm length. The angle is protractor is 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay, C dash D dash is the center and angle is 45 degree, length is 48, 45, 45 degree. And next show the angles for this inclination is from HP 45 degree. That incline, show it, the angle is here to here is 45 degree, and name those points, name the points. Okay, name the points. The bottom point is C dash and D dash, and midpoint exactly it's B dash and E dash, and apex point is A dash and A dash and F dash, A dash and F dash. Now project for top view thin lines. Project the top view for all those projection line downwards. Thin lines here A dash and F dash project downwards, and exactly mid B dash and E dash downwards, and C dash and D dash downwards, and project here A and C are same line. Okay, A is here, C is here, project it. Then D and F are same line. F is here, D is here, project it. And next B point is here, you project it. And next E point is mid exactly up to here, and this line you have to. Okay, now here is those extra lines. Here is this extra lines, and now name those A, B, C, D, E, F top view. Later you join it. Okay, start with A. This point is our A point. A point, and showing writing those A. This is our B. It's our C. C. It's our D. It's our E, and last point is this is our F. Okay, join those all the corners by thick line apparent lamina. Apparent lamina A, B, C, D, E, F, join it. Okay, this point is the A is only this much. Go to line from this A, take it A to B to C to D to E to F to A. Okay, apparent hexagonal lamina. The resting edge DC is inclined. The second position apparent lamina, the resting edge DC is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Simply draw 30-degree line from VP. VP, taking the line, angle is so much, the length and angle is 30 degree. Show the angle using protractor, draw 30-degree line and show the angle from XY line to this inclined line is 30. Okay, on this 30-degree line there D and C has to be redrawn. Okay, now take a line command, that is a scale and pencil, and next thick line. On this line D to C is 25 mm, 25 mm on 30-degree line, 25 mm, 25 mm length, 25 mm by using thick line. First edge here, first point is B, D and C. It is 25 on 30-degree line. Now name the corners. This one is D. So this one is D. This is our C. Now using arc method, get the point E and B by arc method. First measure the distance from D to E. D to E is 21, then again C to B also 21. Okay, D is the center, 21 one arc, and again from C is the center, 21 one arc. Okay, arc, and to get intersection point, again compass C to E, diagonal C to E, it's 40 mm, then D to B also 40. Okay, 40 you take, radius is 40, cut this, radius is 40, cut this side, and again C, radius is 40, radius is 40, cut this arc. Okay, now you got those E and B. Name those points. Okay, to avoid the confusion, once you get those points, name it. This point is our E, E point. This is our B point. Now to get A and F, in intersection point method, okay, measure the distance of, measure the distance of, okay, measure the distance of compass, compass E to E to F. E to F is 21. Same way B to A also 21. Take the E is the center 21. Draw one arc. And same way B is the center 21. Draw one more arc. And to get intersection point, you can use B to F, B to F radius, B to F or D to F. B to F I am taking. Okay, B to F it is 41 and E to A also 41. Okay, B is the B to compass B, from B point 41, cut this. Again from E 41, cut this. Okay, now you are getting those 2 points are your F and A. Name those points. This point is F. Okay, this is F. Okay, name it. This point is F. This is our A. This is our A. Now join those points, the F point, all the corners from DC. Already we have drawn DC thick line. Another remaining points, join it. To start with A to B, A to B end point. Okay, join this much. All the corners here. Start with A to B. If you are not getting, just make it clear. The thick line start with D here, already V end point, to this E, to this F, then next point is A, next point is A, next is B, next is C, C end point. Okay, hexagonal lamina, same we are redrawn. Now project for front view. Project for front view with thin line, taking those thin line, project this end point towards right side, and next B and E towards right side. Start with projecting A is on top 90 degree, B is middle, next C point is on XY line and D point is XY line and E point is middle and F is above. Now taking eraser, these extra lines, erase it and name it first. At last you join it. Okay, this point is A dash. Name it first. Later you join to avoid the confusion. A dash. This is our The point is B dash. It's our C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Joined by thick line using scale. Joined by thick line all the 6 corners. Start with A always. B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then A. Okay, this is your problem of hexagonal lamina direct method of projection of planes, manual sketching. Okay, check those. All the dimensions are shown, angles are shown. Okay, then thin line, thick line according to your problem.